gotta love your Philadelphia when you're making your cheesecake.
I love Philadelphia, so I love the white chocolate and raspberry cheesecake, and I also loved the cakes they had as well. They were delicious.
Cheesecake, the raspberry cheesecake. I didn't say that, did I?
I'm able to say Philadelphia because I'm gonna go home and make cheesecake.
I loved the chocolate cheesecake by Philadelphia. I thought it was delicious.
I really love the Philadelphia velvet cupcakes. They were so delicious.
Oh, they're all great. I think, yeah, all of them. I did like the red velvet cupcakes. They were quite delicious, and my son enjoyed eating those as well. But I'm a big Philadelphia fan, so yeah.
They had a cookbook as well, so a lot of things in there that look quite easy. So I'm going to be able to convince other people in the family to try things and cook for me.
The chocolate cheesecake. I only had one.
Anything with cream cheese on it has to be good, so I couldn't really narrow it down, but Philadelphia is great on everything.
Philadelphia for me is one of those things that I cook with a lot. I actually really just enjoy talking to the consultants about the different things I could do, and Philadelphia gave me a recipe book that I'm dying to go home and try.
The white chocolate berry cheesecake. I've said cheesecake way too many times, but no, that was gorgeous. That was